Hi guys, welcome to today's daily outlook in which we're going to be discussing the DXY, some minor and some major currency pairs. Just a quick side note, if you're interested in using the strategy which I am utilizing within this video, make sure to check out the link in the bio down below. So let's dive straight in. As per usual, we're going to start off by analyzing the DXY. The DXY is currently making some beautiful price action because as we can see, we took out this major swing low over here, and after that we saw the retracement with our first leg, second leg retracement, a nice double top, and after that some bearish confirmation. So we made a 618 retracement back up into resistance, back up towards this descending trend line. So I'm currently very interested in seeing more downside on the DXY, back down towards the -27 level, which aligns pretty nicely with this area of interest. Let me just adjust the zone a bit. Yeah, with this area of interest. So currently targeting the -27 level of the Fibonacci extension on the DXY. If we dive down deeper into the 50-minute time frame, what must happen to reach that -27 level? Well, as we can see, if we draw in this trend line over here, we need to break this ascending 15-minute trend line. So price on the DXY is currently a little bit choppy. So yeah, just waiting for this trend line on the 1 hour and 15 minute to break. So no longs for the DXY at the moment, only if we were to come all the way back above this 4-hour swing point over here. So currently not going to be watching any longs due to the fact that it's not going to happen today. So yeah, just looking for some DXY shorts, and that is it. So let's head over to Aussie CAD. And Aussie CAD made a nice retracement back down lower towards the downside. As we can see, I projected that we were going to see a retracement once this trend line were to break. So currently support over here is holding, however the pair is quite messy at the moment. Not much to be said, as we can see currently holding at support and at the 0.5 Fibonacci level. However, I would like the price to come back lower towards the 786 before really heading towards the upside. Mainly due to the fact that there is liquidity situated over there. So what do we need to see from this pair? Well, we need to see support being broken, impulse towards the downside, 786, bullish confirmation for more upside. So if we adjust the Fibonacci a bit over here, we can see that 786 perfectly aligns with this area of demand. So yeah, for the rest, not much on Aussie CAD. Personally, just going to be waiting for a further pullback towards the downside. Pair is pretty messy for the rest. So with Aussie CAD discussed, let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar, wow, playing out to absolute perfection. As we can see what happened, I drew on this fib on Wednesday. If we just adjusted a little bit, as we can see, once we broke this ascending trend line, we saw the impulse to pull back. And once we had the bears engulfing over here, we saw a straight, beautiful impulse further towards the downside. Currently within my potential reversal area, so I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing some more upside from here. For the rest, yeah, not very interesting pair at the moment, Aussie dollar for me personally. I do not like the current market structure that we are seeing over here. It looks a lot like nice head and shoulders which wants to crash down further towards the downside. So if we see more downside, I'm going to be targeting 0.76400. That's the next area of interest that I would like to see being met. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar. Let's head over to Euro dollar. And Euro dollar is also pretty interesting, mainly due to the fact that we are currently seeing a double top over here form on the 4-hour. All that is in the way of Euro dollar dropping further is this area of support that we have over here. Also, as we can see, we nearly broke this ascending trend line. However, it is still being respected alongside support. So what do we need for further shorts towards the downside? Well, over here we have an area of interest which I would like to see being met because I do not trust this area of support. So what would I like to see? Well, I would like to see a small break on, let's say, the 15-minute time frame with a pullback and then a dip into 1.9600. After that, potentially area could be broken, and then we're going to see some real pushes towards the downside. So why am I targeting more downside? Well, mainly due to the fact that we are within this third trendline touch on the 4-hour double top, and we are within my reversal area on the 4-hour here. So all that needs to happen for more downside on euro dollar is a break of this ascending trend line. However, of course, we could still see more upside. What do we need for that? Well, we just need a clear impulse above the highs over here with a retest of the trend line, of the highs, of this larger 4-hour descending trend line, and then a bullish confirmation. So that's euro dollar. Let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar, in my opinion, is the beauty of the day. As we can see, as anticipated, broke this ascending trend line. After that, minor pullback back up towards the upside, and now perfect retracement into my potential reversal area, into the third trendline touch or trendline touch retest, trendline break retest, excuse me, and then a 618 Fibonacci level retracement within my potential reversal area. So lots of confluences for more upside on GU. So currently just going to monitor that. What I want to see is potentially a 1 hour or 15-minute entry, which I'm going to be waiting for. So yeah, currently just choppy Friday. We need to see some more clean price action. So Kiwi dollar is the last pair we're going to have a look at, and Kiwi dollar I think is maybe one of the more beautiful pairs of today, alongside pound dollar, mainly due to the fact that we made this beautiful retracement over here, have this double bottom with an impulse, the nice pullback, and boom, potentially more upside on the way, currently situated within this area of support. So wouldn't be surprised if we start hitting that -27 level today or before Monday. If we're going to see some more downside, what would this look like? Well, I'm also seeing this ascending channel over here, so wouldn't be surprised that if we were to break this ascending trend line, we would need to break this swing low over here, retest that, and then we would see more downside. So yeah, those are the two scenarios which could play out, either from here further upside towards -27 and then probably and most likely a drop, or we're going to see a break of this major swing low over here, break of the ascending channel, and then more downside. So that was all for today. Thank you all for watching, and I can't wait to see you all in the next episode. Thanks guys.